Welcome back to Divine Times 2. We love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. During the month of January, we are going to show you 5 delicious and comforting soups. We chose these soups because they are delicious and are easy to make. So join us every week for a different but amazing soup that will not only warm your soul, but your home as well. Let's get started on the 5th soup of the week, smoked turkey kielbasa and potato soup. In a 5-quart stock pot, I've put it on medium heat. I am going to add 13 ounces diced turkey kielbasa. I'm going to cook this until the sausage is browned, about 5 to 7 minutes. I've placed the browned sausage in a bowl. I'm going to set it aside. Now to the pot, I am going to add olive oil. About 4 tablespoons of olive oil. To the pot, I am going to add a mirepoix, which is onions, carrots, and celery, 1 medium diced onion, 1 cup diced carrots, and 1 diced celery rib. To the mirepoix, I'm also adding 7 small to medium diced potatoes. I'm going to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Okay, this has been cooking for 15 minutes on low to medium heat. Now the potatoes are tender. See, the fork goes into it, but it's not fully cooked, but they will be by the time this soup is complete. To this, I am adding 15.25 ounce can of whole kernel corn. Then 4 minced garlic cloves. And I'm going to stir and cook it for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon ground black pepper, half a teaspoon ground thyme. Stir. I'm adding 1 14.5 ounce fire roasted tomatoes. Now I did cut this somewhat with a scissor. Stir. Cook for about a minute. Now to this I am adding 5 cups water. And 2.5 tablespoons of chicken base bouillon. If you don't have this, you may use 5 cups chicken broth. Now when the bouillon is fully incorporated into the water, I am going to cover it and simmer until the potatoes are thoroughly cooked. First, bring it up to a boil. When it's boiling, lower the heat to low medium and cook it for 15 minutes. Okay, the soup has been simmering for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add the turkey kielbasa. I'm going to stir it and heat it through. I like it because it has lots of veggies in it. Carrots, the corn, the tomatoes, the celery, onions, garlic. Let's taste this. The broth is a light broth. The soup is flavorful and it makes a beautiful presentation. All the colors, beautiful. I hope you guys give this a try. It's delicious and you're going to love it. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you make any of these wonderful soups. And if you have any recipe ideas you would like to see on our channel. If you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.